everyone from around the world. How are you? My name is Jeremy Alexander Newsom. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate it. I want to describe what you're looking at below. This particular page is our cryptocurrency page, aka digital assets. And I want to instruct, educate, entertain, and enrich people from all around the world regarding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like Dash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and many others. In this particular program, you're going to be learning what is Bitcoin. More importantly, what is the blockchain? How does it work? Is all of this a giant scam? And of course, how to profitably trade these. What's exciting about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is you can participate in this market with any amount of money. That's right. If you have a small account or a large account, you can day trade these, you can swing trade these, you can long-term invest in these. This is a phenomenal, once in a lifetime opportunity, and it has just begun. Do you remember sometime going back a long time, let's say when you're sitting down and you're learning about the stock market and that teacher or the person in the conference room that you were at was discussing, had you just bought Microsoft back in 1980 and held it for 35 years, you'd have $9 million or whatever the math is. You probably know what I'm talking about, right? This is that opportunity. Right? You know how people are always saying, oh man, when's the next big thing? This is it. This is it. I am 100% confident in that. In fact, I have created a cryptocurrency hedge fund, and I am working with accredited investors and working on giving them exposure to this market. What's better than that? Why do I have any credibility to talk about this? I'm one of the few people in the world, I would say, who has bought Ethereum below $10. Here's an example from my broker showing you my purchase of Ethereum sub single digits. I also bought Bitcoin under 500 and Litecoin under 30. Bottom line is, oh wait, there's one more, Ripple at 22 cents. That was an unbelievable 800% growth in a few weeks. My friends, this stuff is legitimate, okay? I am 100% confident in this market as a trading instrument. It's a brand new market. Just like you have futures, just like you have commodities, just like you have Forex, right? Foreign currencies. This is just another currency market that is brand new and is ready to be exploited for profits. So let me teach you how to do that in this particular course. You excited? You should be. There's a lot of content below. Click, start watching that first video for free, and then the next ones are on you. Let's do this. You guys rock.